morning, everybody. Watching some William Control videos and about to make myself a bubblegum watermelon banana smoothie. This smells so good. If you guys could smell it, you'd be like so jealous. Made a giant heaping of banana bubblegum watermelon smoothie. I got my Starbucks cup in the freezer chilling, and I got what's left of it in the blender, and I also still have a bunch of watermelon left, so I'm just gonna cut this up and just eat it right off the rind. Got the other half, which I'm saving for Raymond. Gotta put these bananas to oh, excuse me, to freeze for Ray Bear, and yeah, it should be good. I'm all nice and ready and dressed to go, just waiting for my sisters to finish getting dressed. I'm gonna go check on the chickens to see if they have any eggs for me today. Yay, I see one little egg. Made it to Container Park and it stopped being so hot, which I'm so happy for. Got Chelsea, Kathy, and Kilua, and it should be fun. Inside of the toy store. I'm looking at all sorts of things. A few years ago, I think, because I like it. It used to not always be here. You're welcome. My food came out. Here's my little vegan hot dog with green sauce, jalapenos, and tomatoes. Got some ketchup. Yay! And a ginger ale. My little homie's got ketchup in his ear. Kilo, how'd you get ketchup in your ear? Oh, you got it from there. Yeah, it's like ketchup and like look at your mommy. Do you see it?
Dude, it like crumbs.
Yeah. He's in a much better mood now. Now that he stole my soda and he got some French fries in him. You're better, right? No? Yeah. That's what's up. It's okay. We're sharing. Don't worry about it. It's for both of us, okay? Yeah. Can Auntie C have some? Thank you. Do you want to do this one? Whoa. You want to do that one? Here, we gotta go on the stairs. Let's go into the stairs. Yep. Alright, I'm coming. It is fun. Do you want to do it again? Yeah. Let's go on that one. I'm coming. Goodbye, Kilua. Go, Kathy, there's one above you. You guys should play the ninja one. That one's fun. Oh, you can't. You have to wait until the game is over. Go through the tree. Show your mom the tree. Do you like you could fit? Oh, I didn't fit through there. I went through the stairs. I'm gonna make myself a shaved ice. Yeah. Is it good? I got a shaved ice. Yay! Little homie's done for.
No, you should see how his legs are like just like wide open. Like look at like how it's so back.
Ooh, Raymond's gonna get beat up. What are you eating? Is that your dinner?
Yep. Bean and rice chips.
Raymond, that can't be your dinner.
Pico de gallo.
Raymond, don't say it with an accent like it makes it healthier. Like, get out of
Pico
here.
de gallo.
Hermate. Harris, bad boy. Did you know that? Did you know that Harris is a bad boy?
I love your chips. Hey, that's the rice.
Hey, it is the rice. Scarlett does not care because she's not getting any chips. Scarlett, look at me again. Scarlett. Oh, such a cute face. Such a cute baby. So abused. Big eyes. In the arms. Oh. Did you hear? Mm-hmm. Did you not like it? She's like, Mom, there's actually animals suffering, and it's not fun that you poke fun at them. You're right, Scarlett. It's not.
Your mom's horrible.
She just went like that, saying you too.
No, she went like this, agreeing with me.
Is your dad horrible too? Ladies and gentlemen, she's just in shock to answer and fear because he will beat her. You groomed her into never pointing you out as being the bad guy. You monster. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's that bird right there. And he keeps on like trying to attack our cat Prissy. And she does not care. Oh, I hope he doesn't. Can you guys hear him squeaking? Look, look, look. And like she's getting a little bit irritated, but she's all like, nah, man, my parents would kill me if I killed the bird, even if he was asking for it. Oh my God, she actually tried doing something. I don't know if he's trying to attack her or he's trying to play with her, but homeboy is about to die. He had been doing it for a while. I think he flew away, but you guys... Oh, he's in the tree now. He's all offended. That is so funny. You guys leave me in the comments down below if you think he's playing with her or if he's trying to kill her. And Prissy, like any member of the Black House, does not give anything. She does not care. Her life is perfect. She has enough food so she doesn't have to kill the annoying bird. Birds are actually her friends. She has 3 birds. Oh my God, there he goes again. Poor Prissy. Her little tail. She's getting all annoyed. Oh, I think she's actually gonna try to get him now. I think he's annoyed her far enough. I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna go out there and break it up before anybody gets hurt. Alright, that's it for us. Raymond's over there washing his hands off because he was being a good husband. What all crazy husband things did you do today?
What was that?
What were some of the crazy husband things you did today?
I changed the light bulb and I cleaned out the litter box. And I made Allie some dinner in the form of a cup of noodle. That's what I did.
Why are you talking like that?
Because it's my fancy voice.
No, I don't like it.
My fancy voice.
No, I want handsome, sexy voice.
No fancy.
No.
I'm so fancy.
No, say goodbye to everybody.
You already know.
Raymond!
Thank you guys for watching today's vlog, and if you liked it, you can go
here's
ahead
the
and
fancy voice
give it a
still.
thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Also, real quick, check out his cool, like, vegan punk t-shirt. He's pineapple, pero con face. Raymond, you look disgusting. Stop. I mean, you are disgusting. Bye, everybody.